Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this video is basically for those of us that are recently monetized on YouTube. So, in case you're recently monetized on YouTube and then you find out that your estimated revenue is not updating while you know that you're getting views from your videos. So, the question or the you know researches you have been making, this is the answer to it. You see, after you're being monetized, the estimated revenue will update every 2 days of each day. Like, I got monetized 2 days ago, it will update the 2 days after my monetization or after the day. So as of now, it is next tomorrow it will update. I don't think you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, it updates every 2 days. Like, every 2 days your estimated revenue will update. Okay, so that is how it works. So if you have any other question to ask me, so you can also drop that in the comment section. You can subscribe to my channel to help the channel growth, and you know that's all I want from you. Also, like this video, and then peace out, guys.